Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just want.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Gorgeous Garzy. Welcome to my channel, and if you've been here, welcome back. Today I have, as you can tell by the title, I have a Bath and Body Works haul video. Like a few weeks ago, probably like a week ago, they had their annual sale, one of their annual sales, because they usually do 2 a year. They had one and I got a few things. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna share with you guys. So let's get into the video. So this is actually like an unboxing because I ordered these things, and we're about to see what's in them together. I mean, yeah, I ordered them, but it was honestly, I don't even remember. Now usually when they do the annual sales, I usually go to the mall to get the stuff, but this time I had to order offline because when I went to the mall, they were sold out of everything, and I'm like, this is ridiculous. Usually if they're sold out, I will just get some stuff. Even if I don't like the scent, I would still get it and then return it once they restock. But they didn't have anything in the store. They probably had like 3 candles. They didn't have anything. So luckily I went online and they had a few things, so that's what I did. I got some stuff offline. So a lot of these things are actually multiples of the same thing, only because they had a limited amount of stuff. So I just got what I could, and I got 3 boxes with my order. So I had, the first thing is this Twisted Peppermint Gentle Hand Soap. This is around the time where I stock up on the hand soap, so I got 4 of these, and this one, it smells, I had this before. They changed the packaging because I think it used to be white and now it's pink. Excuse me while I cut this dangerously with a knife. I like how they package this though, so it won't spill. This is my first time ordering online from them. I always just buy stuff in the store, so like I said, this is my first time ordering stuff online. It's like peppermint, but it's like a sweet peppermint, if that makes sense. It smells good. Gentle soap, gentle gel hand soap with essential oils. Usually I like to buy the hand soap that has the little balls in there, but this one doesn't have balls in there. It's just regular soap. So yeah, I got 4 of these Twisted Peppermint. There's nothing else in this box, so they just sent me a box with 4 of those in there. And I have another box. This is the big one. Let's see. There's a little bubble wrap in there. Ooh, this one has a lot of soaps. As I said, I don't even remember what I got because it was so long ago. I got 2 of these Watermelon Lemonade, the Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. I love the foaming hand soap, and it's also good if you have kids. This helps to keep them, I guess, I don't know, it makes them love washing their hands, but you also watch them because they will finish your soap real fast. This is so good. Watermelon Lemonade. It's like a sweet smell. I like this. I got this because I have the candle and I like the candle, so I just got this because I like the candle, so I knew what it smelled like. Then I got 2 of the Orange Sunrise. I don't know what this smells like, but like I said, they were on sale, so I picked them up. Now all of these were, original price is $7.50, and I kid you not, these were like 1 something. And some of these foaming ones, they range between 1 something to 3 something, which is way cheaper than $7.50. So I'll take that over $7.50 any day. Oh, it smells like citrusy, so that's not bad. I love like clean scents, lemon, citrus, all of that. The gel one, I have Island Papaya. I have a candle in this scent, so I know what it smells like. This is another fruity smell. I know what it smells like, so I picked it up. What's that? Jingling noise. I guess they all do it. Yes, I have 2 Island Papayas. picked up 2 Island Margarita. Again, this is a candle scent. I have not smelled any of these soaps before. This is my first time smelling these soaps because they didn't have the scents that I usually get. So I just went based off of the candles that I've had before in the past. So yeah, Island Margarita smells good. This is like a fruity scent too. I wish it said on here like what was in there, like how it does on the candle, so I can share with you guys. But I'm pretty sure if you go to their website and you type it in, it's gonna tell you like what scents are in there. So that's 2 of those. I got 2 of these Paradise Coconut. I'm not really, oh, this one says juicy pineapple, sugarcane, and coconut milk. Oh, they do say it on there. Oh, I'm tripping. Yeah, juicy pineapple, sugarcane, and coconut milk. So yeah, I'm not really a big coconut person, but we'll try it and see. Hopefully it smells more like the pineapple. Oh, I could open this one. Oh yeah, it's strong coconut. I don't know. I might keep this in over there by my son's side of the bathroom. I might leave this over here so he can use. And yeah, I'm not really a fan of that. Next I got this Vanilla Bean Noel, and I actually got 4 of these, and this is the gentle foaming soap. So yeah, I got 4 of these Vanilla Bean Noel. I like vanilla. It smells good. I mean, I feel like you can't go wrong with that. It's such like a neutral staple scent. Yeah, it smells good. It smells good. What I like about it too is so with all of these soaps, actually, when you wash your hand, that the smell on your hand, it lingers, which I love. So like you'll be there chilling, like you wash your hand and you'll be there 30 minutes later on your couch just chilling, smelling your hand. It smells so good. It smells so good. Some of it spilled on my hand and I could smell it. It smells good. Another motivation, I mean, I won't say it's a motivation to get your kids washing their hands, because like my son, I don't think he smells the soap or anything, but he does like the foaming one. So like I said, if you have kids, the foaming one, they like it. It's just something to get them motivated to wash their hands more frequently, especially since it's COVID. Yeah, it makes washing hands fun, so that's good. All right, the last thing I got was the wall plugins, and actually I have the. Do all of these come with the paper? I don't know if all of these came with the paper. Oh yeah, they did. Okay, so yeah, the Twisted Peppermints, they were $1.88 each. This is a really good deal compared to $7.50. $1.88. That's a good deal. So I got 4 of those for $1.88. And then where's the other paper? And then the other soaps I got, the Vanilla Bean was $1.88 for this big thing. I got 4 of these, $1.88 each. The Watermelon Lemonade, which one is that one? Oh, this one. The Watermelon Lemonade, I got 2 of these and they were $3.75 each. The Coconut Paradise was $3.75 and I did get 2 of these. The Margarita, which one is that one? Lord have mercy. Oh, the Island Margarita right here. These were $3.75 each and I did get 2 of those. The Island Papaya. Oh, that's this one. The Island Papaya, $3.75 and I did get 2. And then the last was the Orange Sunrise. And again, these were $3.75 and I got 2. So yeah, that's that. I guess the ones that were $1.88 I got 4 of, and the other ones that were $3.75 I got 2 of. And then the last thing I purchased were some wallflowers. I guess I got a lot of stuff with Vanilla Bean because these were the only scents they had left. But thankfully, it's not a bad smell. It smells good. So yeah, I got 4 of these. The wallflowers for the Vanilla Bean, and these were $1.87 each. Now, if you use wallflowers, you see they are. Can you see that? Is it blurry? It's kind of blurry because of my face. Anyway, we get it. It's $7.50 each. So with $7.50 each, and I only end up spending $187 each. Like, that's a really good deal. So yeah, I got 4 of these. And then the other scent I got was the Twisted Peppermint, and I got 4 of these also. And these were also $187. And these original price is also $7.50. So that is all I picked up this time. I did get some candles last time, but I used I started burning most of them. This was, of course, this one is crushed candy cane. I already started burning this last night. It smells just like the Twisted Peppermint, and I guess that's why it's also pink. I'm not sure if why does it have a different name if it smells the same. I'm guessing because this is branded by White Barn, and that is Bath and Body Works, but it smells the same. But yeah, I got this one, and then I think I got like 3 of these, and then some other ones that I didn't like that I'm supposed to take back to the store. But yeah, that's it. That's all I got from my Bath and Body Works fall haul. My Bath and Body Works haul for their semi-annual sale. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you give my video that thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you can see when I post new videos. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for staying to the end to watch my video. Bye.